And for dessert, Bobby's rich and creamy homemade peach ice cream.
Today, you and I are making homemade peach ice cream that is inspired by all the homemade ice cream that you and Dad used to make.
My gosh, that's great, son.
And this is just a cup and a half of whole milk and a cup and a half of heavy cream.
And that's gonna be delicious. And you got you some eggs.
I have. We got 3 of them, and we're gonna use just the yolks.
Okay.
And we're gonna use 3/4 cup of brown sugar.
Okie doke.
And you got your 1/4 cup spoon there, so 3 of those in there.
All right, wait,
And I'll help
hold
you
on.
watch
You can't feed the old lady too much information
Well, you
too
see
fast.
what I got going on. I'm making ice cream and portobello burgers at the same time.
So I'm separating our yolk.
Right, we need just the yolk.
And the yolk is gonna go into our custard.
Right. Excuse me for reaching across your mama.
Oh, that's all right.
And then I'm gonna add in 3/4 cup of brown sugar.
Okay.
Just 2. All right, and 3. That's our last little bit of brown
3/4
sugar.
of a cup of brown sugar. So we're gonna temper our yolks, y'all.
Right.
Temper just simply means heating slowly. All right, so just ladle me a little over there. Now you don't want your custard to boil. You wanna like scald it, y'all. There we go. All right, son, I think that's tempered nicely.
Okay.
So I'm gonna just pour this over in there and whisk that in, because we don't want scrambled egg custard. You don't really probably need to scald this more than a couple of minutes.
No, let's go ahead and strain it. A couple of tablespoons of lemon juice, please.
Okay, I'm just gonna kind of
There you go.
eyeball that. That's gonna give it a nice little citrusy edge to it. And a teaspoon of vanilla.
Teaspoon trick I learned from you.
Okay. So we're gonna water bath
There
this.
we go. Water bath it and get it to cool down pretty quick.
Now I'm gonna just whisk our custard around in this bowl, and that'll just help chill it a little bit quicker, because we've got that bowl sitting down in a nice deep bowl of ice water. And Bobby is just peeling and cutting 3 peaches into nice big chunks.
These are beautiful, beautiful peaches.
By stirring this, it has cooled down quickly. So this is cooled. Now we're gonna pour this into our ice cream maker.
You want to taste a good fresh peach?
I do. Oh,
All right, great.
man alive. That is so good. All right, you'll want to go by the manufacturer's instructions when you're making your ice cream. And I'm gonna go ahead and pour this in here, and Bobby is gonna add his peaches later. And that's because, y'all, our peaches will go to the bottom and clog up our mixture. So, when this is about half frozen, we're gonna add the peaches. I love peach ice cream.
I do too. All right, I'm pretty excited about the ice cream. So rather than get myself a full bowl, I'm just gonna share with you. Here you go, baby.
Oh, good.
It's been a long time since I've had a homemade fresh peach ice cream.
It's been...
Hallelujah. I'm serious.
It's delicious.
We do good work together.
We do good work together.
I enjoyed chilling with you.
I enjoyed chilling with you too. I enjoyed chilling with y'all too. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.